We are fine, sir. I'm aware of you, sir.
I'm trying to locate Ikota Street.
Ikota Street. Whoa! Pagana! That's my math teacher for school for Robo College.
For real?
Pagana, this Akpo Stanley.
Oh, long time.
Yes, sir.
Long
good
time.
To see you, sir.
Very, very good also. But now, you have grown big. I cannot recognize you more.
Sir, it's Lagos. We are hustling.
Okay,
good to see you, sir. Where did you say you are going to again?
I'm trying to locate Ikota Street.
I know the place now. You don't have a problem. Sir, exactly you get to the junction. Eh?
I'm listening to you.
You turn 360 degree. Bah! Not 180. Do the 360. When you get to there, then turn right. 1.8 meters. Coefficient of x. Using your Pythagoras theorem. When you get there, you now move 3.5 meters. When you move forward a little bit. You now move to the left. You will see a pharmacy. Don't enter the pharmacy. Move to your right, 2.1 meters. Using your Pythagoras theorem. When you get there, just turn to the left. And your 4-figure table. Then you will now minus x plus y. Then you will get z. That is Ikota Street.
To find Ikota Street, I need to make all these calculations.
Exactly. The same thing you did to me when I was in school. Your math students, they fail me up and down.
I don't understand you.
No, you go understand. You see how life be now. When I did school, secondary school picking, now you dey frustrate me. Today now you don't dey find road. I say make you do 360 meters square. Using Pythagoras theorem, you dey here now. You dey frustrate. Do me, I do you. Now so life be. You see your life now. Today find X, tomorrow find Y. Like say me and they get problem. You never see anything. Why you dey fail me? They fail me. Now, find your Ikota Street now. You go suffer. You, God don't catch you today. This man, he frustrate me for school tire now. Go find your Ikota Street. Old school, I bet more they go. This man, frustrate.